What up, everybody? What up? Okay, actually I'm feeling like a bit of Mayday parade, but wait let me just get my hair done. Okay, if you guys don't already know, I started this YouTube journey like close to a year back. It's going to be a year. And yesterday I just received a notification from YouTube saying that, you know what? Your channel has hit 10,000 views. I was so shocked myself, but thank you for viewing this video. If you have not started to view this channel, you can actually click on the subscribe link below and then, you know, just hit the notification bell for more updates for the latest video. Okay, so today I actually am going to do a review on the Forza 60 by Nanlite, and I've actually become a brand ambassador for Nanlite. So thank you for this equipment, and I'm actually quite excited to review this wonderful light piece. Just for your information, I do not have any huge lights in my home studio. This will definitely be my first. So let me just get a hands on it, and definitely I will give an after review, maybe probably like a week or two later. Without further ado, let us start the unboxing. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that was a very short unboxing of the Forza 60. Yeah, you can see here. Ooh. Okay, so basically what I find out that this thing is super light. I think it should be just nice for my home studio. I will be setting it up in a while. And it comes with, I think you might need to purchase this also as well. The adapter for this bad boy, which is gonna be, I think, huge. Okay, so this is really my first time setting up huge light in my home studio. So again, definitely maybe you can just click on the notification button, because definitely I'll be doing a review once I'm really done with it. So let's just gonna go for a quick test. Just gonna quickly set this up. Ooh. Okay, it actually took me a while to actually figure out on how to fix this. It was actually so hard, but then the trick is actually just to like cut, and then yeah, it becomes a circle. So let's just test it out with, oh yeah, it's working. Oh, look at that, so nice. Maybe I just switch off this one, and most probably you'll see. There. Oh my god, cinematics. Liking it already. So thank you Nanlite for this Forza 60. Let me just play around with this thing a little bit more. For those who are really interested by just seeing how I set this up, and you know how this thing is gonna work, you can actually check the dealers for Nanlite, which is SLR Revolution. They are like my go-to place to actually go get some camera stuff, just FYI. So I will link SLR below. You can actually really check them out, do their online shopping, quick delivery, and they have the best service so far. It's so different from, you know, the previous light, which is just this. Okay, let me just show you a difference within the Forza 60 and the square panel light. And I'm gonna switch this on. See, this is how you're gonna see my room with my LED panel light. It's just, I think, my 12 by 8 cm. And yeah, you know, it's so natural to have, especially with the diffuser. And just for the record, guys, this is like only 16% of the brightness. 16%. So it's really interesting. I would really love to do much more videos with this one. If you guys want to see how it looks like, let me just pull this over here and see it here. Oh, so nice! Let me just show you from far, huh? So maybe if those who are interested. Oh, look at that. Okay, so far I'm actually really loving this light. It's not because I'm the brand ambassador of it, but really this is my first studio light, and I really love it. At the time when I actually switch it on, I think there should be so much more functions available. Let me just go through again, and I will update you probably about a week or two later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so thank you. That is all we have today. If you really love what I'm actually showing you, click the like button, and then also please do subscribe. It means so much to me. Do check out SLR Revolution. I will link them below. And also Nanlite, thank you so much for this beautiful light. See you in the next one. Take care.